Hello guys, welcome again to Toby Electronics. I told you this is the best place to be. This is the best move you will take for your components to come to life. Remember we had a project of the LED display. Yeah, there is the second part. I'm doing the final touches of number. There is the circuit diagram. There is the number with the diodes. Doing background check and etc. So there is me testing whether power is reaching my components. I have to now test each and every diode to see if it is live. There is one. It's just a random test that you do. So I'm picking out randomly. So there it is now. Job well done. The first part of the number. Now we are remaining in the phone repair display. Yeah, I told you can subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let's grow together. Have a nice day.